Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move a document in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just find the document that we want to move. Say it's this lesson plan. Tap on the three dots next to its name, then scroll down, then tap on move. And here it redirects us the drive, and here we have some folders and other destinations that we might want to move the document to, or we can create a new folder in the top right corner for that for this move. But yeah, we can just tap on it and then tap on move. Tap on the folder where we want to move it, and then just complete the action. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.